So, hi everyone. Now, y'all know that I'm growing vegetables in my boxes, right? My empty cat litter boxes. Yeah, because, I'm smart like that. Anyway, this one has got one, two, three, right there, three, four, five peppers, green peppers, sweet bell peppers that have come up. And I went to water this pot. Do you see what's in here? All over the place. Do you see what's in here? They're little, teeny, tiny mushrooms that came up in the soil. Now, I don't have mushrooms in any of the rest of my pots. See them? They're everywhere. It looks like I've got a fungus in this pot with my peppers. Now, these peppers are babies. I really don't want to get rid of them because they've come up. So I'm thinking I'm going to pull these mushrooms out and go online and see what I can do about mushrooms. Who knew that mushrooms would grow in Arizona in a pot? We don't even have any humidity right now. So I've obviously got some kind of fungus going on in this pot. I find this interesting. I did set it out in the sun to try and get rid of some of the mushrooms, and I can tell that they're starting to dry up already, and I have not watered the peppers yet. So I got to deal with this vegetable mushroom trying to take over my pepper situation here in Arizona. I just thought this was interesting. Y'all have a great day. I hope you don't have mushrooms growing in yours either. Take care, everyone.